Hi guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Maya.
And we're here with PrettyLittleThing to try out the perfect self-tan today.
And we've got the expert's guide on how to get the perfect self-tan, so we'll show you how to prep, apply, top up and remove.
So yeah, we're just going to try out each step now and let you guys know what we think. Okay, so we've just applied our tans, and the next part of the self-tan routine is the top-up part. So this is when your tan starts to fade a little bit, or if you want to make it last for just that little bit longer. So the first product we're going to try is the Sosu Dripping Gold Dark Tanning Wonder Water. Oh, so this is a facial tan. This has vitamin E infused in it and is super hydrating.
So maybe this one's best for me because I used to put tan on my face, whereas you don't.
Yeah, but do you know what I use? I actually do use like a tan water, a tan water, but I've never used that actual foam on my face, like tanning foam. So I'd be interested to try this. And what colour have we got?
Medium to dark.
Medium to dark. Okay,
so
that's
good.
Of yeah. So I suppose it's one of them that you can put on like before you go to bed, because it does say it develops between 4 to 8 hours. So by the time you wake up in the morning, you should have a nice glowy tan.
Right, let's try this out.
Oh my god, it smells so nice. Can you smell that? It smells like sweets.
Oh, it's so nice. It smells like perfume.
Doesn't it? How nice. But yeah, I actually really like face tans, which are like the water-based ones, because I just think they're really like easy to put on and they're not too heavy on your face either. Like I said before, I like to put mine on before I go to bed. So yeah, I would definitely want to give this a try.
And here it is. Okay, so to apply this spray, you have to ensure your skin is clean and dry. You have to hold the nozzle 15 centimeters from your face, close your eyes and mist over entire face and neck. You have to blend it to your hairline so you can use a makeup brush or a tanning mitt. You have to allow it to dry before applying makeup or sleeping, as you said.
Okay, so what, did it have to dry before going to sleep?
Yeah, otherwise it will go patchy.
Yeah, got you.
And then you have to leave to develop for 4 to 8 hours, so I'll probably use it before you go to bed.
Yeah. Okay, that's really easy to use then. Yeah, I definitely like this. It's really cute. Oh, it actually also says on here that they're proud to be cruelty-free, paraben-free and vegan-friendly, so that's really good. I don't know about you, but I literally wash my face about 10 times a day. So I feel like my face is always so much paler than the rest of my body anyway, like even like with you, even though you've got a natural tan.
Yeah, my face is always lighter than my body.
So I feel like it's just good to have this just to focus like the tan on your face, so it's like 2 separate things.
Yeah, and I feel like when you have no makeup days, you want your face to be tan.
Yeah, exactly. And I found before using some of these tanning waters, it actually give you like a really nice glow. So then
you don't even need to put makeup on.
Yeah, exactly.
No concealer, nothing.
Yeah, it's so good. Okay guys, the next product I'm going to share with you is the Bondi Sands Everyday Liquid Gold. This is the Gradual Tanning Dry Oil. This is actually coconut scent as well, so I want to smell this. Oh, it smells really coconutty. Hold on.
Yeah.
You smell that?
Oh, it smells like holiday, you know, like holiday products.
It smells so nice.
Step 1, for an even streak, free tan, ensure your skin is clear and dry prior to application. Step 2, apply everyday liquid gold evenly on the skin in circular motions. Wait until touch dry before dressing. Step 3, use daily to ensure a golden tan throughout the year. Wash hands after use.
Okay, and it also says on here this actually develops in 2 to 3 hours, so that's really quick, isn't it?
That's quick, yeah.
So I guess you just apply it all over your body, obviously like let yourself dry off, and then within 2 to 3 hours you're going to have a lovely golden glow.
Probably apply it in the morning and by the end of the day you'll be tan.
I agree, yeah. And I do find with some gradual tans, I don't know about this one, but you can just like apply it to yourself as much as you want to kind of like build up your tan, do you know what I mean? So if you just want to put on like one layer, then another one later on, then obviously you're going to get a darker tan. But yeah, this looks really good and it smells amazing.
So it smells so nice, my favourite album.
Yeah, no, same, I love this. Okay, so the last product that will help top up your tan is the Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk. So this is a body moisturiser, dual action formula and cocoa butter scent. I like the sound of that.
So I'm guessing if it's a milk, it'll be more moisturising, like a lotion.
Yeah. Enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E for healthy glowing skin, it glides on effortlessly for a long-lasting golden tan every time.
So it says here on the guide that for an even streak-free tan, you have to exfoliate your skin so that your skin is clean and free from any moisturisers. Step 2, push pump firmly, applying tanning milk evenly onto the skin in a smooth circular motion. Apply lightly to hands, elbows, knees and ankles. Wait until the skin is touched dry before dressing.
Do you know what? This is actually like a really watery moisturiser. It's nice though. Do you want to try some?
Yeah.
It is nice. It's just that you can feel like it's really hydrating.
And then it says step 3, use milk daily as an everyday moisturiser to keep skin hydrated and golden. Wash hands after use.
No,
so I guess it's just a normal moisturiser.
Yeah, it does feel like a normal moisturiser, but obviously you're going to get that tan with it also.
Yeah.
I really like it.
No, I like this one too.
I don't know if I like the smell though. I'm not really like a fan of cocoa butter. Do you
no,
like
I do.
Do you? No, I don't know if I'm a fan. It feels really nice though. It does feel like milky and really like smooth on the skin and really hydrating.
Yeah, and I guess it's just easy to use if you
Yeah,
want a tan.
definitely.